Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. It is amazing how something as simple as these can help improve your life. These Dr. Shoesert non-skid shoe pads were the perfect kit. It was so easy to apply to my expensive heels. All I had to do was clean them off. Then you remove the back of the adhesive and then you just measure exactly where you want to put it on the shoe. And what's so great is once you put it on, it looks and blends in nicely. So you don't even really notice that you have the little shoe pad on there. And then when you're walking around, you feel comfortable and secure. You're not slipping around and you have the confidence that you're not going to slip and fall. And what's great is that these little pads go with a variety of shoes. Like for example, these boots, they would fit perfectly. And they come in a variety of colors, so it matches all different types of shoes. So if you're looking for a simple, easy solution, these things have been great. I've loved them. And that is just my point of view.